Hello, Taylor here. So today I'm making a picture frame out of an old box that I'm done using, and all I'm doing is just cutting off the ends, and then I'm going to cut it in half, and then I can just fold it and turn it into a little picture frame. So all I'm doing is gluing it together, and then I'm going to decorate it and put my picture in there. So just cut it so that it'll fit, and you should be good. This is the finished product. It looks really good on my little desk with all my speakers. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye!